Can you believe that these molds were made with a 3D printer? These molds are actually used to produce an automotive fuse box. And this is a molded part. As you can see, it has a very complex shape. Originally, these molds were manufactured with the machine centers and EDM machines. So why use a 3D printer now? Because it offers the potential to significantly reduce the number of manufacturing steps required to produce these molds. In fact, due to its highly complex shape, the conventional process requires dividing the mold into dozens of separate components. In that case, you will have to start by designing the mold split, then create drawings for each piece, procure the materials, create the machining programs, prepare the electrodes for EDM, and only then begin the actual machining. Just imagining the process is enough to make you feel overwhelmed. However, the hybrid metal 3D printer LUMEX can dramatically shorten all of those processes. The greatest feature of LUMEX is that it combines additive manufacturing and milling in a single machine. It repeatedly alternates between building and cutting to form the final shape. Thanks to this technology, even deep groove machining like this can be achieved using standard tools with a short cutting length without the need for EDM. With LUMEX, this capability allows the number of mold splits to be minimized, significantly reducing the design work and the EDM processes associated with the mold separation. And as for the machining time you are probably curious about, the cab machining for this part took 185 hours. After waiting about 8 days, you can remove it from the machine in this completed state. As a result, we were able to reduce the mold manufacturing man-hours by 46% compared with the conventional methods. And of course, LUMEX also enables advanced mold functionalities unique to additive manufacturing, such as 3D conformal cooling channels and polar structures. In the manufacturing industry today, the retirement of skilled workers and the growing labor shortage are becoming increasingly serious issues. Combined with the efforts of work style reforms, manufacturing sites are facing an even stronger demand to improve efficiency. In response to these challenges, LUMEX offers its innovative hybrid technology, additive manufacturing, and milling.